Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to turn Quora into a traffic driving machine for your blog. All right, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you think about it, Quora is the perfect platform for bloggers to demonstrate their knowledge and their expertise. After all, most of the blog is to help our readers with the problem they have, and Q&A format is the purest expression of helping people with their problems. As a blogger, not only you will find Quora as a natural community in which you can participate, but you will get several benefits from doing so also. First benefit, Quora is a source of long-term traffic. An additional benefit to Quora traffic is that answers posted on the platform can continue to drive traffic months after being created. Nearly 3 months later, people will still be finding your answers to the question, and when someone upvotes your answers, like this is the Quora community way of giving the support of your answers. And your answers will appear in their feed and is visible to all of their followers. Second benefit, Quora lets you to establish yourself as an authority. How would you like to be known as the most viewed writer in your topic area? You might think that you need to post regularly to maintain your ranking, and while that's somewhat true, rankings last longer than you might think. Quora also gives topic badge to the top writers. This appears next to your name for everyone to see. When you appear in the most viewed writers list and start to earn badge, you will find that people begin to ask you questions on the topic under which you are featured. And that's the true sign of authority, right? When people approach you for your expertise that's completely unprompted. The third benefit, Quora can get you noticed by major publication. Continue writing on Quora and you also have a good chance of being featured on a big site like Forbes. That's because major publications are now affiliating with and sourcing content directly from Quora and publishing selected answers on their website. How to start the engine on your Quora traffic machine? At this point, you must be asking, how can you tap into this Quora goodness? Fortunately, there's a simple 3-step process that you can follow to dominate Quora in a topic that start driving traffic to your blogs. Step 1, create traffic optimized profile. New writers on Quora often they don't take the time to fill out the profile entirely. But that's a big mistake because you will fail to stand out from the thousands of other profiles on Quora. The perfect Quora profile starts with the perfect profile bio. Give yourself a killer headlines in the profile bio. Your profile bio is the headlines that appears immediately beneath your name in your Quora profiles. When completing this, you need to decide what topic you want to be known for and consider the type of question you'll be answering. Your bio should signal to your audience that you are qualified to answer those questions. Choose your words wisely because space is limited. You only have 80 characters to express yourself here. Step 2, go hunting for a big game question. This is the step that 95% of Quora writers miss, and it's the difference between getting 50 views versus 1,000 views on your answers. Are you ready? Before you write a single answer, you need to find the answers that are attracting the most views and upvotes within your topics of interest. So start by looking for a relevant topic. You can use the list of the most followed topics on Quora to find the ones getting the most traffic and views from the community. Step 3, carefully craft your answers. There's no single formula exists for writing the perfect Quora answers, but certain tactics will considerably increase your chance of success, and you will improve with practice over and over again. Just like best-selling authors who take the time to hone their skills, the same applies to writing answers on Quora. Luck plays is part 2. One answer may be bomb, while another maybe goes viral without any obvious explanation. But if you use the following tactics, you will experience success much sooner. Tactic number 1, tell stories. Stories are so powerful that Seth Godin devoted an entire book by explaining why you should use them, and it's called All Marketers Are Liars. It's been scientifically proven that when we hear the story, our brain activates the same areas that would if we were experiencing the events of the story of ourselves. For instance, if I told you a story about a delicious, rich, and velvety piece of chocolate cake that I ate last night, your sensory cortex light up. It's like you partially live to that experience. This is why personal stories like tragedy, struggle, and personal perseverance do exceptionally well on Quora. You don't believe me? Check out all these answers with thousands of views about Dashrat Manji, the man who, following the death of his wife, spent 22 years carving a path through a mountain using only a hammer and a chisel. Even if your topic doesn't give itself too big of an emotion, you can usually package up at least some of your points in the story. Tactic number 2, get visual. According to a BuzzSumo study of 2 million articles, those that showed an image once every 75 or 100 words got double the amount of shares of article with the image. You only need to look at the success of apps like Instagram to realize just how visually driven humans we are now. So on Quora, using image is the best way I found to quickly stand out from the other answers. The majority of writers, they do not bother looking for image. Their answers end up looking like a sea of bland text and are easily skipped by the readers. Tactic number 4, go deep. When you approach a question, you should set out to create the best answers for that questions. There's no point creating a quick 200, 300 words of your answers on a top question, because you will just get lost among all other answers. You need to spend time writing a long, thoughtful answer. One that hopefully incorporates a story from your life. Hopefully that one incorporates a story from your life. If you want your answers is stand longer time, Make sure it is memorable and can hold its own, as other writers continue adding the answers. Alright friends, so in this video I have explained how to turn Quora into a traffic driving machine for your blogs. So if you want to build a successful marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link on the description below. And if you find the information in this video is helpful to you, please like this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm a little bit. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please watch my other 2 videos here. This video will help you to understand more about internet marketing. You have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.